Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? You know, it's one of those rainy days. We can't go hiking, and it's kind of like a holiday. It is a holiday, it's a federal holiday. But we're gonna do some cooking today. Actually, I'm cooking. I'm gonna make up a chili for us, and I'm gonna do it today. So I'm not the best cook, I'm not the worst cook. I'm just Bobby the cook.
And Sharon gets the day off.
That's Sharon gets the day off. So stick with us. This should be fun today. Because if you look outside, out there, our windows are all foggy. I don't know if you can see anything or not.
Oh, it's nasty out, folks. It's really nasty.
That's the kind of day we got. It's going to be this way today and tomorrow. So we're going to do some chili. So here's my ingredients. Got me 1 pepper. 1 medium onion.
Sweet onion.
Sweet onion, yeah. Sharp knife, maybe. Celery. Got a pack of celery, but we're going to use 2 stalks. Got my paste, tomato paste, little Hunt's can there. Crushed tomatoes. So you see crushed right there. No, crushed. That's what it says. It calls for in the recipe. Pinto beans, 1 can. This is 16 ounce. And 1 16-ounce can of kidney beans. And my hamburger's in the refrigerator. This calls for 1.5 pounds of this. I got this organic grass-fed beef, and it wasn't too bad. So I'm gonna be using that for my hamburger. Okay, I got my stuff washed up and cut up a little bit here. Got it prepped. I gotta cut my celery up. Teeny tiny stuff. Put this in the pot, I guess. How do you do that? I guess you lift it on. Whee!
Lift it with your hands. Just pick it all up.
Oof. Better this way. I'm a little rusty. I ain't cooked in a while.
Y'all, ain't it sexy when a man cooks? Look at him chop him.
Putting it to it, man. Pretty good. Just a little bite size there. Alright. That's my peppers. Like I say, this is a small batch. This is my first time ever doing this recipe. Buy a recipe normally, I just do a throwdown, what I buy off the shelf, throw it all together. But I'm gonna try to be worth something here. Give y'all something good to go with. Follow a recipe. Alright. That's all that. Now. Alright. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 medium onion, 1 medium green bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery. This is all chopped. Okay, that's the first part of it. It says in a large pot over a medium heat, heat the oil, the onions, and the pepper and the celery and cook soft until 5 minutes. Okay. There's one. Come on now, get out of there. There's 2. These are my veggies with my olive oil.
Okay.
Get that all in there. All right.
And you're going to cook that down with the hamburger, right?
It says cook this for 5 minutes in the recipe.
Okay.
Soften it to soft.
Okay.
So cook this for 5 minutes.
And then you put the hamburger
in it, yes. In 5 minutes, now I put my hamburger in here. Woo. Half of this because it's only 1.5 pounds.
of ground beef, right?
It says cook till brown, minimum 6 minutes, until the hamburger becomes brown and not pink.
It's already smelling good. But I love cooked onions and peppers anyway.
Add ground beef and cook, breaking up meat with a wooden spoon. I had that wooden spoon until no longer pink. About 6 minutes more. Drain fat and return to heat. So we get some fat in here. We'll drain it out, folks. But right now, I'll tell you, it don't look like none.
We buy meat like that because it's healthier for us. Y'all do realize you can do this recipe without using meat if you didn't want to.
Yeah, you could do vegetarian chili.
Yeah. How's it looking?
Yeah, start to turn brown. Got some clumps.
Oh yeah.
Got some clumps in there, but I'm gradually getting them. Give me some fine chili. When I get done.
Oh yeah. There, nice and brown. Sweet.
In small chunks. So
very good.
cut the heat off. Okay. Tablespoons of chili powder.
Cumin.
Ground cumin.
How much ground cumin?
2 teaspoons. I got a little extra. Okay. 2 teaspoons of cumin. Garlic salt or garlic powder.
Yeah, we don't have any garlic powder, so we're going to use less salt. How much of that do you use?
One teaspoon.
Push it up.
There it is. Salt and pepper.
Well, not as much. Not as much because you've got garlic salt.
Which is garlic powder with salt in it?
Right. That's good, honey.
Okay.
You can add at the table if you need to.
Well, I like my black pepper now.
Oh, I know.
It's a southern thing, you know, I think. That's what they say. Okay, half can full of water. Got my filter water here. It's half a can. Now, spoon. I said to stir up the can, get the loose stuff out of there. Pour that in there with it. So 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now it says to add the beans with full liquid. 1 can of kidney beans with liquid. Can number 2 of pinto beans
With liquid.
with liquid.
Oh, nice.
The directions said to bring to a boil, so I have to cook it on high. When it comes to a boil, turn it down to medium heat.
To simmer for 45 minutes.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay. You could use your power pressure cooker, and what I would do is I would brown the hamburger and fix all the vegetables just like he did here. Put it on the soup stew setting, which is like 10 minutes, and bam, you're done. I'm getting dished up. That's pretty good, honey.
You
Did a great job.
did?
Your creation is good.
Yeah. That's real good. We got the recipe. This is called Delish, and it's www.delish.com/cooking recipes. And this is called Copycat Wendy's Chili.
Sweet.
That's where I got the recipe. So if any of y'all, if y'all want it, there it is. You can go to delish.com and get it.
Very nice indeed.
Enjoy, everybody. I know I'm fixing to. We'll see y'all again.